Welcome. In front of me is an STK LIFE 9, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key, choose power off from the options, and wait for the device to shut down, which is indicated by the vibration. Once that will happen, the vibration, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Okay, there we go. So this will boot us into the boot mode. So in here you will need to use only volume up to navigate through the three options that we have right here. And you want to select the first one, which is recovery mode. And once it's selected, press volume down to confirm it. And from here, you can now use both of the volume keys to navigate, and you want to use those in order to select Wipe Cache Partition. And once it's selected, press power key to confirm it, choose Yes, and there we go, cache wipe complete. Reboot system now will be also selected by default once it has been completed, so all you need to do is press power key once again. This will initiate a reboot and take you back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.